I'm back, and I'll try to talk about that maybe in another video while I was gone, but I'm back and I'm jumping right back into the swing of everything to the best of my ability. So today I'm recording because I promised my kid that we would do a little project because we're going to start his room. But we're in my room right now, and I know you can see the color of the wall and a few other things, but it's not finished yet. I actually have a video that I need to film, but I'm waiting for one more box to come in, and then I'm waiting for one more purchase that I have to make, and I'm not going to make that purchase until that box comes in, or maybe not, doesn't matter. But I am going to do a clean with me video in my bedroom, because while I was out of commission with filming, I was also out of commission with cleaning. I just did not feel like it, so I'm trying to get back in the swing of things and get it going. Sorry for the lighting. As you can see, I don't know if you can, but my light is like super dim, so excuse me. Since it's super dim, that's one of the things that's got to go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the room, and while I still have a little bit of sunlight, and yeah, get it popping. Let's go. done, I'll walk around, and I think what I'm gonna do is just show you guys a little bit of what I have, but I'll put the details in the official room tour once everything is up. Like I said earlier, I do have 2 boxes that came in, and I believe one is possibly for the light, and the other ones are for the things that are on that go on the dresser. I need to fill a picture frame that's on my dresser that you guys probably noticed, and that's pretty much it that's left, except for some empty spots in the room. But that's what I'm gonna walk around and show you right now. Bed is made. Sorry. Bed is made. Nightstands cleaned off to the best of their abilities, and dust everything back into one place. And yeah. So let's talk room. So this area right here was supposed to have a chair in it, but like if you can see the space between my window and my door to my bathroom, it was supposed to have a chair right here, but I just felt like it was going to be too much. It was going to take up too much space, so I decided to put a full-length mirror there, since we don't have a mirror in our bedroom anyway. These are curtains that I'll go into detail with part of the design. I believe in my laundry video you guys saw this shelf that I made. And I don't know if I went into detail about it, but if not, I will. These lamps were, it's getting dark because I don't have any light. These lamps were not a part of the design that the lady sent me, but my shelf is gold, so I figured why not keep the gold ones. The ones she sent me were much taller, and this is new. I'll go into details about that. The idea was to have a white comforter, more fluffed up, but it's not, so whatever. And a navy blue blanket, but whatever, we're good. All the grays are pulling in. My husband's side of the bed. This is a goat basket that I purchased when I was doing the, I don't know if you guys can see it. A goat basket that I purchased when I was doing the other style room, and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted to. So I just have it sitting in the corner, and eventually it's going to be filled up with a bunch of throw blankets for upstairs. But right now I just have the pillows in them, and then the room will be done, and I will give a room tour and talk through the room tour and let you guys know what items I got, where I got them from, and a little bit about the process that I used to do the room. So let's go start on the little kids room by doing the project with the sharks.